Hi everyone, this is Michael Sullivan with E.V.H. Consultants. Today, in conjunction with Saphena Medical, the Venapax System, we bring to you Sully's 3-Minute Clinic. This lesson will highlight branch and tissue ligation with the Generation 4 device. The blades are advanced beyond the branch, bipolar cautery is activated, and the blades are opened and closed in rapid fashion as you advance forward and rotate towards the cone. Here's an example of cutting some connective tissue. Dissection is minimized by using the blades to cut and cauterize the tissue instead of simply dissecting through it. Here you'll see how the long thin blades can be used for dissection. A little window is made underneath the branch with the blue blade. Cautery is activated, the Pacman motion is performed, and a slight counterclockwise rotation towards the cone. The connective tissue is then cleared off in the same fashion. On this branch, you'll see the minimal dissection with the cone. Here, we're going to cut some connective tissue. My cone is positioned under the branch, blades around the branch, cautery is activated, Pacman motion, and rotation towards the cone. In this next clip, I'm going to show you how we can dissect long sheets of tissue and small branches at the same time. Notice the activation of the cautery and the rotation towards the cone. Here's an example of minimal dissection and maximal ligation. Small windows is all we need to get around the branch. It's ligated with the bipolar cautery. The cone is protecting the vein, and we have at least 4 millimeters of branch length between the tip of the cone and the blades. This example shows how we can use our blades to assist with dissection. Anytime I see little crossing arterioles, I'll use my blades to cut and cauterize them as I'm doing my dissection. This example shows a big branch anterior at about 10 o'clock. See how I do minimal dissection with the cone. I don't go too far past. All I need is small windows for these thin blades to fit in. There's a little spot cautery example. Here the thin blades fit in those tiny windows. Activate cautery, Pacman, rotate towards the cone, and advance forward to cut. It's that forward advancement that cuts the branches. Go straight back to conical dissection. Small window either side of the branch. You can see that blue blade has a sharp edge, just like a knife. So if you rotate that knife into the branch and push forward, you'll get a nice clean cut. Before you know it, you'll be doing your stab and grab. Then you'll be pulling the vein out of the tunnel by gently grabbing with your blades. Thanks for joining me on the first edition of Sully's 3-Minute Clinic. And a big thank you to Saphena Medical for creating this amazing device for E.V.H. If you'd like to see more content like this, please hit like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.